Hello, tonight we are having a chicken, bacon, and ranch pizza, and I'm putting it on the grill. So I've got one out there already. Let's put one together. This is a recipe that you can take some shortcuts with. If you want to, you can get the frozen pizza crust thawed out. You can get the Pillsbury kind in a can if you want to, or you can make my homemade version, which I can show you. I'll put another video, if you haven't seen it before, in the comments so you can see how to do it. So my dough is all rolled out. For baking your pizzas on the grill, you need a rock crock. You can't use the stoneware on the grill. So the rock crocks are a cross between stoneware and cookware, and it can take that heat of a grill. So let's go ahead and put get the dough on here, and we'll put all the toppings on. So the rock crocks are not non-stick. So I've already spread some olive oil on here, and I sprinkled cornmeal. So when you put it on there, you don't want to push into the olive oil, removing all of your non-stick properties, right? So just pick it up from the edge and stretch it to finish it off. So with the stoneware, you can actually roll your dough right on the stone because it's essentially non-stick. Rock crocks are not like that. You need to roll it separate and then put it on there. Okay, dough's ready. Let's get the other mixture ready as well. Now, if you're used to traditional pizza, this is gonna seem weird, but it's gonna be really delicious and a nice change because we've gotta keep things interesting so you don't get the cooking fatigue that people talk about with all these meals we're making at home. Start with a couple of cups of cooked chicken. And I did some chicken tenders. Let's switch bowls here so you can see. I did chicken tenders in the air fryer earlier today, but if you've got a rotisserie chicken or you're buying chicken strips that are already done, you can certainly do that. We'll add some pepper, about a quarter teaspoon or to your liking. I'm skipping the salt that the recipe calls for. Okay, you guys, say hi to Gracie. Okay, everybody knows you're here. All right, so a little bit of black pepper. She walked away. She just wanted to say hi. A little black pepper, about a quarter teaspoon or so. And then we're gonna add a clove of garlic. Fresh garlic. If you want a lot, maybe add 2 cloves. Usually it takes about 10 minutes for everything to cook on the grill. It's gonna be just about that much time by the time we're done putting this together. Got about, oh, there's the timer. It's okay, we're almost done. Go take a peek at that pizza, Mike, just to make sure. I don't want to burn my dinner. Okay, we're gonna add a clove of garlic. I'm sure it's fine, but you know, usually when I'm grilling, we're kind of hanging out on the patio and we're not too concerned about, you know, I can pop in and check. I'm talking to you guys, I don't want to burn my dinner. Looks fine?
It's fine.
All right, good. We need a half a cup of ranch dressing. I love these for measuring sticky things. Use whatever ranch you like. And it's funny, we don't usually have ranch dressing in the house. It's not something that's a favorite. I know for a lot of families, that's like their #1 dressing. So I had to buy this special just for this. So we'll add that in, and then we're gonna give everything a nice mix. Let's see here. Oh, there it is. I've had all sorts of projects going on today. All right, so this is the mixture that's gonna go right on the crust. So we just give it a little stir, and now it's gonna come together pretty quickly. If you like, you can chop your chicken smaller. I did mine about 1/2-inch pieces or so, and I kind of like it like that. This reminds me of a specialty style pizza you would associate with a restaurant. So if you love finding new recipes that you can make that help you feel like you got kind of the restaurant feel, this is just the ticket for you. All right, now the cheese. So you're gonna use Colby Jack. Grate it yourself if you can, or if you need the shortcut, get the kind that's grated already. And if I'm making traditional pizza with traditional sauce, I do the cheese first, then sauce, and then more cheese, and then toppings. But that ranch dressing's not very juicy, so it's okay to put it right up against your, crust. And I've got some diced tomatoes. So you need to take the seeds out to take most of the juice out of your tomato. So the way to do that is to slice your tomato in half and then gently squeeze it over a bowl Take a knife if you want. Take those seeds out and then chop, and you won't have a mushy mess for your pizza crust. All right, and now we're ready for some bacon. Cook this up ahead. And I cooked a little extra so Mike can have it on a sandwich tomorrow. Loves bacon. And that is it. Okay, so let's go to the grill. Let's go take a look. I'm gonna hand this to my guy, and we are gonna go to the grill together so you can kind of see. Okay, Gracie, let's go outside. We're gonna go take a look at the pizza that is already done. You can use any kind of grill. I would suggest you use maybe a medium high heat. My grill actually has temperature markings, whoop, so I can actually set it to 475, 500, and that's perfect for us. So let's take a look. I'll turn the camera around so we can see. We're gonna experience this together, you guys. Ooh, that looks yummy. So here's what you're gonna look for. When you have your pizza on your grill, you're gonna set it for timer for 5 minutes and then you rotate it. When you're finished, you wanna kind of look at the crust. Does it look kind of golden? And this one does. If your grill has a hot spot, you can usually rotate your crust just a little bit. So let's take a look. Yeah, that one looks good. So we're gonna do a little switcheroo. I'm gonna have Mike grab this one and then we're gonna go garnish it inside. Okay, so come on over here, Mike. Pull that off the grill. And we'll put the next one on. You can go stick that right on top of the stove. All right, so the next one goes. It'll take about 12 to 15 minutes or so, and it'll be ready. So let's go garnish it with some green onion. It will be so delicious. If any of you, going up the stairs with a tripod's kind of fun. If any of you try this, I want you to message me and let me know how it turned out for you. So let's finish this one up. The other thing that I love about Rock Crocs is that they stay hot for a long time, for your whole meal. So I've got some green onion that are all sliced up. You're gonna sprinkle those over the top, and it looks perfect, just like a magazine. I like it when our food looks good, don't you? Well, I know you like it when my food looks good, but don't you like it when your food looks good? So when you're ready to slice, use the pizza cutter. It comes with a protective sleeve. Crust cutter gets right to the edge. So you can slice with metal right on your Rock Crocs. You're not gonna hurt it. Let's put some more light over here. Okay, so you can slice right onto your Rock Crocs. When you get to the edge, flip, press straight down, and it comes apart. You can hear the sizzle. And this is gonna be such a treat tonight. Now, those of you who know that I usually cook gluten-free, this is not a gluten-free pizza, but if you wanted to, you could get a gluten-free crust to start, and that would be just perfect. Do all the same toppings. I hope you enjoyed learning how to make a new style of pizza tonight. Chicken, bacon, and ranch pizza. It'll be a great treat for a Friday night. Thanks for joining me. Share this with all the pizza lovers in your life. Take care.